What's going on, guys? This is a real quick video on how to reduce your brokerage fees by quite a lot. There's a good chance that you're trading with NAB, Westpac, CBA, or basically any of the big boys in town. If you're paying anywhere between $15 to $30 for trading sizes between $5,000 to $20,000, there's a good chance you're with a premium broker and you're getting charged a bit of an arm and a leg for it. Now, there are other brokers out there such as CMC Markets, Bells Direct, Self-Wealth, and a plethora of other ones out there. But from what I've heard, they offer a lesser experience. Now, I wouldn't know because I haven't used them, but that seems to be the consensus. So, with the broker that I'm with, quite a number of years ago, I'd been trading for about 2 years at that point in time, and I thought, look, I'm not going to pay this brokerage anymore. It's just not worth it. It's a premium service, but the fees are just too expensive. So I called them up and I said, look, I've been trading for X amount of time. I've racked up X amount of brokerage. I'm going to move broker tomorrow unless you can offer a more competitive rate to your brokerage fees. And that was it. They said, oh, sure, I'll take down your details and I'll forward this on to our customer retention team. So guys, they have people dedicated in these large brokerage firms to keeping you there. There are dedicated teams. So don't feel stupid asking that question when you call them up and asking for less for brokerage. Now, if you've been trading, let's say, less than 6 months and your brokerage fees is less than, let's say, $4,000, yeah, they're probably going to shrug you off. They're going to say, look, this is just the fees that we have and deal with it. But if you've got enough volume, if you've been around for a little while, at least 6 months, there's a very good chance that you're almost guaranteed at that point to get cheaper brokerage. Because what it costs to lose you is several $1,000s, basically. If you're an active trader, you're doing it daily or even weekly, and you're pulling in volumes, then yeah, they're going to want to keep you because that's $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 of cash in the future that the broker's missing out on. For what cost? Because they don't want to reduce your fees from $20 to $15 or $16 or something like that. I don't know if you can specifically negotiate your rate and fees. I just simply have that conversation. Every 2 years, I call up my broker and I say, look, this is how long I've been trading. This is my brokerage that I've paid. Can you offer a better rate? And they never ask. Look, where do you plan on going? What fees do you plan on getting charged in this other broker firm? They don't ask those questions. They know that they're charging a premium, and they know it costs them nothing except slightly less profit from you each time you trade. That's what it costs to keep you. Now, it doesn't technically cost them anything. It's a reduced rate. So, guys, if you've been trading for a while and you rack up some brokerage, call up your company, call up your broker, and have that conversation. It is a 30-second conversation. And every time, within 2 hours, on the same day, I get my fees reduced. And let me tell you guys, they get back to you real quick. They'll say, oh, we'll get back to you in a couple of days. And, oh, look, your service will be activated in X amount of time. No. They get back to you real quick. They want to keep you. Now, I don't know what it's like with these smaller companies like, let's say, CMC Markets or CMC Direct or whatever it's called, and Bells Direct. I don't know, or even Self-Wealth. I don't know if you can get less brokerage. I really don't know. But if you are with those kind of smaller broker firms, then look, just call them up anyway. Give it a go. It costs you absolutely nothing to try. So, guys, I hope that saves you a lot of money. They will end up telling you things like, look, here's our little, confidential rate that we've got. We can offer you this. Just don't tell anyone because, well, if you tell anyone, then we're going to remove your fees, your rate, and you're going to go back to default. And look, if they ever do that, I'll just go to another broker and I'll say, look, here's my history. What can you offer? I mean, it's an empty threat. So, guys, call your brokers, save some money, keep it in your pocket. Have a good one, guys.